Hello, this is Caleb Grill here again. I'm here because I tried to make a video on my bean head a couple days ago, and it didn't work out as well as I planned. And anyway, you can see I made a repair right there to help bring that dent back down and fix that hatch cover. And in turn, I discovered that this chain is still got some free play in it. See. Oh, sorry. That was some metal I used to lay on, so I didn't get any rocks in my back. Anyway, chain still has some good tension on it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Anyway, the chain for your house chain is still free. Anyway, there's some holes at the bottom of this of the pan for the grain head. There's some holes in the tube. I'm hoping to be able to patch those up. And I'm thinking they're going plastic deck boards or real wood boards for placing these paddles on this bean head. The more I do some work on it, the more confidence I build that I could actually fix this thing and get her running again. And as you can see in the wood, there's the corn head over there. My plan is to run this for a few years, maybe upgrade to a 95 John Deere. Then after that, get a 1440 IH, and then use the 1440 IH for corn, the 45 for soybeans, and the 95 for wheat. Because conventional straw honestly is better than rotary straw for selling. And anyway, that's one way I'd like to go with it. That way, each combine has their own job. And also be like Oliver 66 Farm Boy. Have one combine for each crop. Then we could reduce the amount of wear you put on it, the amount of tear, and also it could help parts last longer. Yeah. And once I get this combine restored, running again, first do the mechanical restoration, make sure everything runs great. I might try to help a few farmers around the county to our town. For farmers that have incredibly small fields, are hard for their big machines to get there. I could use this to get through there. And maybe help them do some straw for harvest some wheat for straw for baling. Yeah, that'd be great. And then I could eventually afford to buy my own land. Anyway, yeah, thought I'd give you another update on this machine and how things are going. And hopefully in 2023, I can start working on the combine. In the meantime, hopefully this summer, I'll be able to take this to, start with fixing up the bean head. Then the corn head, then the combine. Start small. And eventually, once I'm able to plant by a couple of fields and plant my own corn, for a couple of years, I'm planning on. Well, first I'll have to restore this corn planter. I'm going to go around, but I have a different way to get through. Yeah, sorry about the silence. This is a very tricky way to get through. I need to get some pruning shears, make this path a little easier. Anyway, I'll also probably look for either fix this corn planter up or look for a corn planter like this in better condition and just use this planter for spare parts. Because there's some parts that are still good on these, like this tube right here, still supple. Sorry about the wheezing. I'm a little out of shape. Anyway, I also think this corn plantable. If you think so, write it down in the comments. And I want to know if this is a 1240 or a whatever model this is. Don't know where to find a number plate. If you could put that down in the comments, that would be great. And we haven't seen this in a while, but this is my John Deere 234 corn head. Now I also want to know the good, the bad, and the ugly in this machine, because I want to know what I'm really getting into. And the sheet metal on this is relatively straight. Some rust parts, nothing a little surgery and sheet metal welding won't fix. Now I need to know where I can find the sticks that are used to make this work. And see what else I could do.